That is rather humorous. I don't know. We think this guy might have liked the Bluebird buses. I believe that's the emblem for that. Welcome to the James Yachting test video of mece187. I can't hide this one, guys. A 1984 Chevrolet Chevette. 1.6 liter 4-cylinder under the hood. I'm just gonna go ahead and fire it up now so you guys can hear all 10 horsepowers of fury.
0 to 16 in 14.5 seconds.
Man, I would believe that. Good runner though, fires right up. Runs very, very well. Oh, that's new battery in it too. Yeah. Obviously involved in a front end collision that totaled it out. Not a bad running Chevette. A lot of good parts on this girl. Everything you guys see listed here, or sorry, see in this video will be listed for sale. The doors are rotten though down low. Very, very rotten, so we're not going to be listing those. A nice interior on this thing. It's a cute little door panel. Decent looking set of aftermarket wheels with Lexington tires on it. Nothing special, but for this old girl, I don't think you need much. Dual exhaust, that is rather humorous. I don't know, we think this guy might have liked the Bluebird buses. I believe that's the emblem for that. Rear seat's in nice condition as well. Let me put the hood down and we'll do a quick little transmission test of this girl. There we go, got her to come off high idle. Not a whole lot to test. She is a manual everything in here. See if we can test that AC. Yeah, AC doesn't work, but the climate control works. Transmission has reverse, drive.
Bet it won't do a burnout.
I bet you it won't need it too. Wipers work. Yeah, not a whole lot to test though. Very clean interior though. Dashboard's got some issues. Running well. And those gauges look an awful lot like they came out of a Fiero. Darn near sure that came out of a Fiero. Yeah. Clean car, guys. Everything in here will be listed for sale. Sans the carpet, the nice little center console, I guess if you can call it that. The mirrors are, well, it doesn't have mirrors, they're just sun visors. Cool little car. Not my cup of tea, but I can see why some people like them. If you're looking for some Chevette parts, we've got a pretty clean donor here. I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jnjautoworking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Stop putting dual exhaust on your Chevettes. Thanks for watching.